Hi, boys and girls. Today, we're going to read the story, Plant the Tiny Seed. And on our front cover of the story, there are a few pictures. Let's see if you can help me out and name what they are. I see three things that are growing from the ground. Do you know what these three things are? They're flowers. What color flowers here? The red one. Good. How about this color flower? It's purple. This one has a couple colors, pink and green. Does anybody know what this is? It's a watering can, and that helps water the flowers and plants that are growing in the ground. There's also some things that are flying around. Bzzz. They're bumblebees. Also, up here, looks like a tiny bird, a green tiny bird. Down here on the stem, can you see what insect that is? It's a ladybug. Good job. And I also see on the top of the word there's a butterfly. Good. And in the corner of our story, at the top in yellow is the what? The sun. All right, so let's read along to plant the tiny seed. I'm going to need your imagination, and we're going to do it together at home. So are you ready? Let's do this. Plant the Tiny Seed, written by Christy Masson. There is magic in this tiny seed. Press it down and count to 3. There's the tiny little seed. So what we're going to do is going to take our tiny seed. We are going to pretend to put it in the ground. So push it down, and we're going to count to 3. So help Miss Dana. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So we have our tiny seed. Plant another, then one more. Press them down and count to 4. Ready? We're going to take our seeds, push them down into the ground, and we're going to count to 4. Help Miss Dana. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. It doesn't look like anything has happened yet. Let's keep reading. Now, we need to wiggle our fingers to add some water to our seeds. They're on the ground, so let's get up our fingers and we're gonna get the water all down on our seeds. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's see what happens next. Okay, that's enough water for now. Next, you need to rub the sun to make it hotter. I'm gonna hold over here and you're gonna rub, 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 rub that sun. Go ahead, help Miss Dana. Rub, 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 rub that sun. Good. Let's see what's gonna happen. After we added our water and some sunlight to the seeds, it looks like they are what? They're beginning to grow. They're getting taller and bigger. Let's see what happens next. Now, I need you to tap the cloud. Do you see the gray cloud on top of the book? All right, I need you to tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Go ahead, you try. Good. And let's wish for some more rain to help make those plants grow even taller. How many plants are growing on the page? Can you count? I'll help. 1, 2, 3. There's also a ladybug in the middle of all 3. All right, so let's wish for that rain, everybody. Right? Please let it rain. Please let it rain. We need rain. All right, let's keep reading. What did you do? You made it what? You made it rain. I see lots of blue raindrops falling from the clouds. Also, I see a little worm that came to join. And it looks like our plants are getting bigger and bigger. They must be growing. Let's keep seeing. Ah! What's on the bottom of the page? Do you know what that is? It's a snail. All right. Find the worm and look for its tail. Can you find the worm coming out of the ground on the bottom of the page? There it is. There's the bottom of the worm. Uh-oh. Shoo away, you hungry snail. Can you shoo the snail away so it doesn't eat our plants? Like this. Shoo, shoo, shoo. And look at our plants. They're getting bigger. They are growing. It's a little partly cloudy, sunny, and clouds in the sky. Do you have a guess what our plants might become? Let's read and find out. Now it's time to tell the buds good night. Good night, little buds. Keep growing. Can you point to the plant that is the biggest? Which one is the biggest so far? Yep, the one in the middle is the biggest. How about which plant is the smallest? Can you touch the smallest plant? Well, good job. Let's keep reading. Guess what you'll see in the morning light. So it must be nighttime in our story, time for our plants to go to bed. Say good night, plants. Good night, plants. Wow! Now point to the purple flower. Can you touch the purple flower? There it is. Bzzz. Tap the clouds again. Tap, tap, tap. Your turn. Uh-oh. I see two insects on this page. They're yellow and black and with tiny wings. Do you see them? What are they called? Those are bumblebees. There are two bumblebees on the page. And it looks like our other plant is beginning to grow. Let's see. Can you guess maybe what color our next plant will be? Let's see. Oh no, what's happening? It's another rainstorm. The rain helps our plants grow. And look what happened. Did you guess the next flower would be red? If so, you guessed right. We have two flowers that have bloomed. How many flowers still need to bloom? One. Now touch the blossoms very carefully, please. Carefully, we're just going to lightly tap, tap, tap. Your turn. Good. Oh no! Now jiggle the plants to scatter the seeds. So like this. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Scatter those seeds everywhere. Scatter, scatter, scatter. Scatter means to spread out. The purple flower needs a clip. So swipe across the stem. Snip, snip, snip. All right, so I'm gonna need you to help. Snip, snip, snip. Now, I need you to close your eyes and wave your hands in the air. Can you try that? Gently wave your hands high in the air. Oh, look! There's magic everywhere. You helped me make the garden grow. The end. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening to my story about Plant the Tiny Seed. Now, maybe you can help moms and dads help with some gardening, or you can go outside and you can explore different colored plants. There are plants everywhere growing. So go ahead, take a nature walk, take a look at some plants that may starting to grow, and explore. Thanks for watching along to Plant the Tiny Seed. See you boys and girls soon.